Hi there, students. Ruthless, an adjective. Ruthlessly, the adverb. And ruthlessness, the noun. Okay, ruthless means without pity, cruel and without compassion. The dictator acted with ruthless cruelty, merciless. You must ruthlessly kill any rats or mice that enter your home, or you're suddenly going to have thousands of them. The attackers kicked him ruthlessly after he fell to the ground. They showed no pity, no compassion. They just went on kicking him. Shylock ruthlessly demanded his pound of flesh. This is from a play called The Merchant of Venice by Shakespeare, where Shylock demands to be repaid with a pound of body flesh. So ruthless, showing no mercy, no pity, no compassion, heartless, a ruthless tyrant, a ruthless invader, a ruthlessly capitalistic system. The company ruthlessly sacked half of the workforce. The hunting dogs ruthlessly attacked the fox when it was cornered. Hitler ruthlessly exterminated Negroes, Gypsies and Jews. So harsh, pitiless, merciless, cruel, unrelenting, adamant, inexorable, without scruples or principles. When there is only limited medical assistance available, you must ruthlessly decide where the medical aid will do the most good, and you have to leave everyone else to suffer or die. This is called triage. You must ruthlessly eliminate all unnecessary expenses if you are to stay within budget. Okay, so ruthless, well, the less clearly indicates not. And ruth is an old-fashioned word meaning pity or distress. In English, we still have the word to rue, to be sad that you did something. I rue the day I did this. Okay, so if ruth is pity or distress or grief, then ruthless, without pity. There was a Middle English word, rootless. And now as to the question of formality, I think I'd probably give this word maybe 5.5, 6 in formality. I think it's quite flexible and you can use it just about anywhere. Informally, you might say cruel or heartless. Ruthless sounds a little bit literary, but I think it's perfectly all right to use it even informally. Okay, so ruthless, without pity, without feeling for others, just doing it anyway. So there you go, ruthless. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. You could make ruthless comments if you don't like it, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ruthless.